Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Wake&Tech. Today I'll show you how to install Steam on your Windows PC step by step. Whether you are new to PC gaming or just setting up a new computer, this guide will help you get gaming in no time. So let's dive in. First, open up any web browser on your PC. You can open up web browsers like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox, and then in the URL box type in store.steampowered.com and search. You will then end up in the official website for Steam. Go to the top right section and click on Install Steam link. Now click on the Window Install Steam option, and then once you do that, your download should begin. After clicking on Install Steam, you will then be able to download the Steam setup file. Click on Open File once the download is complete. Follow through the on-screen instructions to set up Steam on your computer. Click on Next, select your language choice, click Next again, select your destination folder where you want the launcher to be located in, and then once you do that, click on Install. Once the installation is complete, Steam will launch automatically. It will check for updates and download the latest version. Just wait for it to complete, and this will also ensure you get the newest features and security updates. After the application is installed, you can then log in or create a Steam account, and that's it. That's how you successfully install Steam on your Windows PC and are ready to explore thousands of games. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.